What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. So today I'm gonna be installing a oil catch can. So before we install the oil catch can, I wanted to go ahead and remove the supercharger lid and clean all the oil out. This is pretty simple to do. All you got to do is remove all these bolts around the supercharger lid. You remove the cooling hoses. You got 2 here and another 2 over there, and then you remove the windshield wipers and remove the clips. The hardest part is removing these hoses from the intercoolers. So yeah, that's kind of hard the first time you're doing it.
Voices in my head, know me, call me, I will be restless, somehow they chose me, this is my nightlife, wanna be high life, I feel so reckless, calling them all night. I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well and still I'm that. It's the only thing that I fucking do.
Alright, so after you remove all these 3 covers, you're gonna see the bolts from the supercharger lid right there. There's one right there, and then there's another one right there. Now after that, you need to remove this metal tube. There's a bolt right here, and then there's another one right here. And then on this side, you got another one right here and another one here. So for these, you need a 10mm socket. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, next step is to remove this. This is a booster vacuum line. Just want to put it aside, right where the wiper blade goes. Right there. That way, it'll give you access to the bolts around the supercharger. Alright, so next step is to remove this clamp and remove the hose. Alright guys, so the next step is to start removing all the bolts around the supercharger. There's about 16 to 18 bolts. Alright, so after you get done removing all the bolts from around the supercharger, there's 4 more bolts you need to remove, and I think they are 10 millimeter. So this is it right here. This is what we're gonna clean. See all the oil, and then right here, all that oil right there. We're gonna clean. So yeah, pretty much all I gotta do is clean all the oil, and then we can put everything back together and install the catch can. Alright guys, so we're done cleaning the supercharger brakes, and look how shiny they look compared to how they were. So now we're gonna jump into the supercharger. We're gonna clean all that oil, and we're gonna try to clean the valves too. So yeah. Alright, so I'm done cleaning the intake manifold and the supercharger, as well as the intercoolers. So now we can start putting it back together. Alright guys, so I'm finally done putting everything back together. I'm gonna make a separate video on how to install the catch can. That way this video is not too long. So yeah, see you guys in another video and thanks for watching.